Welcome to Short TA with Chile Capital. Let's have a look at ivr, Investigator Resources. What are we looking at here? These are monthly candles covering all of the last 15 years of share price history for ivr. Also importantly, all charts are in log scale because log scale is divine. Who wants to go to Paris? Well, I'm not talking about Paris, France. Uh, Investigator found the Paris silver deposit in South Australia in 2011. And as it was a boom in precious metals at the time, share price did really well. It actually had a bull run and topped out at about 40 cents. Since that time, it had few more good runs, especially the one in 2021, coinciding with the silver squeeze. As price of silver currently is threatening to make all-time highs, it is no surprise that ivr has awakened from deep slumber, one could claim, and is starting to move up again. So what can we look forward to? Well, lots. Um, as the new CEO Lachlan Wallace just raised $10 million to do lots of work, we hope that results come in due course, and the market seems to agree. The raise at 4.2 cents last week went off with a bang, and share price finished at 5.6 cents on the day the trading resumed in ivr. To hear Lachlan speak himself about what is planned, I'm going to include the link in the description, but that video is available on Investigator website itself. Now let's have a quick look at the chart itself. What we seem to be looking at here is a massive broadening ascending wedge. Now, from that silver squeeze in 2021, you could argue that ivr put in a bull flag of sorts, even though it's quite cumbersome and long and extended. Now, as share price is coming up at the moment, you could perhaps argue that you could extend the same angle of ascent from the bull flag pole and place it here, and that could give you a rough time target of about September next year, 2026, with the share price perhaps being in the 30s. What about Fibonacci retracement? Let's do that. Oops. That was 12 cents. Then we grab that across and attach it to the bottom of that move. Oops. Yeah. And we have a target of 18 cents roughly for May 2026. So in summary, whichever way you look at it, the future seems to be bright for ivr. Its targets are either the ascending broadening wedge of about 35 cents for September 2026, or a Fibonacci retracement of the bull flag pole with a target of 18 cents for sometime in May 2026. Especially with the price of silver making all-time highs or threatening to get above 50 US dollars per ounce in the very short term future. This is all positive tailwinds for IVR. Uh, Now, just for the sake of transparency, a disclaimer that Chile Capital was not paid for this content, but we do hold a position in IVR options. Thank you for watching.